So, good day everyone. I'm Yanpi Catilina. So for today's video, ang gagawin po natin ay ang ating pinggang Pinoy. So, paano? Let's go! So, first po, ang ilalagay natin ang ating go food. Ito po ang rice. Ito po ay that gives carbohydrates for energy. So, yan. So, ang next po natin ay ang ating raw food. Ito po ang egg that provides protein for muscles and cells growth. So, ang next po natin ay ang ating raw food. Ito po ay ang apple. So, ito po gives vitamins and fiber for healthy skin and body. And for the last po ay ang ating glow food again. Ito po ang pakbet. Ito po ay mixed veggies offering vitamins, minerals, and fiber for wellness. So, yan. So, and for the last guys, of course, huwag natin kakalimutan ng ating water. Ito po ay super important because it carries nutrients and keep the body hydrated. So, yun lang po. That's all. Thank you.